Good morning, boys and girls. It is week 3, day 4. We are at Thursday, April 16, 2020. Little bit darker this morning. We have a rainy day ahead of us, so hopefully you guys will find some things to do indoors because I think it's supposed to be raining most of the day. So the activities today, we're down in the last column, the fourth one down. Notice 2 of the reading activities are check marked, so those 2 will need to be turned in for a grade this week. Okay, so we have the first one is a math activity. We had done this in the classroom, so this will be a review. We have some balance scales, and we have some pictures that you're going to place on the balance scales, but you need to be very aware how the balance scale is tipped. Okay, remember, if it's going down, it's heavier. If it's up, it's lighter. So you're going to find 2 pictures where one is heavier than the other. Okay, now this one might be a little tricky to pair up because they have some really big things and they have some really little things. So I would, before I did any gluing, I would cut the pictures out and place them and see if they're in the right place before I glue anything. But you have a football, a stool, a spoon, a pie, a plant, a frog, a car, and a chair. So remember, the part of the balance scale that's going down is the heavier object. The side that's going up is the lighter object. Okay? The next math activity page today is reviewing hexagons and ovals. This is pretty easy. You're cutting out, both of these are in the cutout packet. I forgot to mention that. But you're cutting out the objects on the right side of the paper and gluing them either with the hexagon or the oval. And you're just matching what shape they are. Okay? I think that's pretty self-explanatory. Hexagons have 6 sides, and an oval is like a circle, but it's elongated, it's stretched like an egg. Okay? All right, now this is one of them that is due today, the word family one. Now this is made to be like a game, but you do not need to do it like a game. But you need to look at the sentences at the top, read the sentences. This is reviewing the et word family. Now, if you wanted to, because they wanted you to play a game where you're spinning with a pencil and a paper clip, and wherever it lands, you write that word until you fill up the words. And I do want you to write the words, but you don't need to do the spinner thing unless you want to. But I would like you to read the sentences, and then you're writing each word 4 times with your pencil. So the word is actually at the bottom. Vet, wet, jet, set, net. So in this column, you're going to write vet 4 times. And in this column, you're going to write wet 4 times. This is good practice for your handwriting skills. And I would definitely use a pencil just in case you, it just helps you to write neater. And when you get to 1st grade, all your writing will be done with pencils. So it's just good practice. Okay? So that is due to this week. So have mommy and daddy send me a picture of that. And let's see, this one is not due this week. This is another one where you're filling in the blanks using the 2 sentences at the top. The 2 sentences are, There are two men, they went on a run. So you're taking the information from these two sentences and filling in the blanks of these 7 sentences. They're just repeating the sentence but leaving out words. So it's also good practice for isolating words, but also for handwriting. And that one is not, but the one on the back of it is due today. This is the reading comprehension. It's called The Bug. So you read the text, and then you've got 4 questions. And they're actually not questions, they're actually fill in the blank. So you're reading it and filling in with the correct word, but you're using the text to get your information. So you find the right word. They give you 3 choices. Pick the word that is answering this one, that's fill in the blank, and then write it in the blank. If you want to go up and circle the word in the text to show me that you're finding the information in the text like we do with a closed read, you can. These words are from the UGG family, the UGG family. So that is due today. So the 2 pages that Mommy and Daddy are going to send me that are going to be graded are these 2 pages. Okay, so make sure that I can't give you a grade if I don't have a picture that you completed those. Okay, so that is our work today. Mommies and daddies, remember tomorrow I will be at the school, at the front of the school, passing out the new packets for the next 3 weeks. I'll be there between 11:30 and 1. So you'll just need to drive up at the front of the school where the bus loop is, not the car loop, the bus loop, right at the front. Just pull in there, and I'll myself or a couple other teachers will be coming to your car and giving you a packet. So that will begin at 11:30 tomorrow. So I will look forward to seeing you guys if you're able to come and do that. If you're not able to pick up the packet tomorrow, please send me a remind message to let me know. So I will see what other arrangements can be made. All right, so I'm going to do word games next and get that uploaded. And I hope you have a nice day. I know you're not going to be able to do much outside today, but I hope you find something fun and relaxing to do inside. Good day to read a book, watch a cartoon, or do a puzzle. Coloring's always fun to do on a rainy day. So find something nice and relaxing to do today, okay? And I will see you at the word games video. Bye-bye.